When you manage a corporate group with multiple legal entities, you face a fundamental accounting challenge that ERP systems have struggled to solve elegantly for decades. Let me show you the problem with real data. I have two companies in my ERPNext system, Nor-Eli North, the parent holding company, and Nor-Eli North Demo, the subsidiary. On October 1, 2025, Nor-Eli North created sales invoice ACC SINV 2025-00007 for $400 to their internal customer, Palmer Productions Ltd., which represents the subsidiary company Nor-Eli North Demo. This creates a GL entry in account 1310 debtors, accounts receivable, party Palmer Productions Ltd. Debit $400, in company Nor-Eli North. Now look at the subsidiary's books. On the same day, Nor-Eli North Demo created purchase invoice ACC PINV 2025-00007 for $400 from their internal supplier, Nor-Eli North Supplier. GL entry, account 2110 creditors, accounts payable, party Nor-Eli North Supplier, credit $400, company Nor-Eli North Demo. Here's the challenge: these are the same transaction, just viewed from opposite sides. When you prepare consolidated financial statements, you can't show the group owing money to itself. These need to be eliminated. Traditionally, this has been done manually: export GL entries to Excel, match transactions by amount and date, hope you don't miss anything, create manual journal entries, pray nothing changes. What if we could automate this entirely? What if the system could find the matches, create the elimination entries, and prepare for AI agents to handle this autonomously? That's what we're building today. Let's start from scratch and create realistic test data. This is important because we're not going to use fake scenarios, we're using the exact same data structures that ERPNext uses in production. First, let's verify our company setup. Perfect. Two companies, Nor-Eli North and Nor-Eli North Demo. Now, for intercompany transactions, ERPNext has built-in fields on customer and supplier doc types. Let's check the internal parties. This tells us, when Nor-Eli North sells to Palmer Productions Ltd., it's actually selling to the subsidiary Nor-Eli North Demo. Palmer Productions Ltd. represents Nor-Eli North Demo. Let's check internal suppliers. When Demo buys from Nor-Eli North Supplier, it's buying from the parent company. This is standard ERPNext, no custom fields, just the built-in intercompany features that have been there since version 13. Now let's create a test transaction. I'm in Nor-Eli North, creating a new sales invoice. Customer, Palmer Productions Ltd. Notice the is internal customer checkbox is automatically checked. ERPNext knows this is an intercompany transaction. Posting date, October 4 RD, 2025. Item, standard item. Quantity 1. Rate, $500. Submitted. Sales invoice ACC SINV 2025-00010 for $500. Let's look at the GL entry this created. Voucher ACC SINV 2025-00010, company Nor-Eli North, account 1310 debtors, party type customer, party Palmer Productions Ltd. Debit $500, credit $0. Perfect. Accounts receivable in Nor-Eli North's books. Now I'm in the subsidiary. New purchase invoice, supplier Nor-Eli North Supplier, posting date October 4 RD, item same item, quantity 1, rate $500. Submitted. Purchase invoice ACC PINV 2025-00011. Voucher ACC PINV 2025-00011, company Nor-Eli North Demo, account 2110 creditors, party type supplier, party Nor-Eli North Supplier, credit $500. Now we have matching intercompany transactions. Parent shows 500 AR, owed by subsidiary. Subsidiary shows 500 AP, owes to parent. Same amount, same date, opposite sides. Perfect candidates for elimination. Here's where it gets interesting. I've built a custom Frappe app called Intercompany that automates this entire process. Let's see it in action. In the ERPNext sidebar, I now have an intercompany workspace. Notice the clean, professional layout. This follows standard Frappe design patterns. First, we need to configure the app. Click Intercompany Settings. Here's what we configure. Matching and reconciliation settings. Enable auto matching, checked. Matching tolerance, 0.01, this handles currency rounding. Max combination size, 3, this allows matching multiple invoices together. The matching tolerance is critical. In real-world scenarios, you might have currency conversion differences or rounding. This tolerance tells the system if transactions are within 1 cent, consider them matched. Elimination settings. Elimination company, nor Eli North, the parent. Auto-create eliminations, checked. Standard consolidation accounting practice, elimination entries are always posted to the parent company's books. The subsidiaries keep their original transactions. Default elimination accounts. Default receivable account, 1310 debtors nor Eli North. Default payable account, 2110 creditors nor Eli North. Save. Configuration complete. No hard-coded values, everything is driven by these settings. Now let's run the matching. Click IC Match Group, then the Run Matching button. Pause, dialog. The dialog asks for Company. Counterparty company. From date, January 1, 2025. To date, October 4 RD, 2025. Tolerance, 0.01. Notice the professional feedback, running matching algorithm. This uses the standard for pay freeze pattern, not some custom loading spinner. Results. Found one match. Match groups created, IC, match, 2025-00019, nor Eli North demo to nor Eli North. Let's look at what the system found. Match group IC, match, 2025-00019. Header information. Company, nor Eli North demo. Counterparty, nor Eli North. Match date, October 4 RD, 2025. Status, matched. Total amount, $500. Currency, USD. Difference, 0. The lines table shows exactly which GL entries were matched. Line 1, Voucher ACC, PINV, 2025-00011, the purchase invoice from demo. Company nor Eli North demo, account 2110 creditors, party nor Eli North supplier, credit 500. Line 2, Voucher ACC, SINV, 2025-00010, the sales invoice from parent. Company nor Eli North, account 1310 debtors, party Palmer Productions Ltd. Debit 500. The system automatically found these two transactions, verified their mirror images, and created this match group. No manual work. Now I submit the match group to lock it in. Status, matched. Now we can create the elimination journal entry. The system automatically created journal entry JV 2025-00007. Company, nor Eli North, the parent, where eliminations go. Posting date, today. Entry type, journal entry. User remark, Intercompany Elimination for IC, match, 2025-00019. Accounts table. Entry 1, account 1310 debtors nor Eli North, party type customer, party Palmer Productions Ltd. Credit 500. This eliminates the AR. Remark, eliminate IC receivable, nor Eli North demo, match, IC, match, 2025-00019. Entry 2, account 2110 creditors nor Eli North, party type supplier, party nor Eli North supplier, debit 500. This eliminates the AP. Remark, eliminate IC payable, nor Eli North demo, match, IC, match, 2025-00019. Notice, this journal entry reverses out both sides. Credit the AR, we're not owed money by ourselves. Debit the AP, we don't owe ourselves. Net effect, 0, the intercompany balance is eliminated. Submit. The elimination is now permanent in the ledger. Back in the match group, status automatically updated to eliminated and it's linked to the journal entry. Let's verify with the reconciliation report. Filters, company nor Eli North demo, counterparty nor Eli North. Results. Matched amount 500, eliminated amount 500, status, matched. Perfect. The $500 transaction is completely reconciled and eliminated. No manual Excel work, no prayer spreadsheets, no errors. Now let's look under the hood. This is important for developers and AI practitioners. This follows standard Frappe app structure. No custom modifications to ERPNext Core. Everything is isolated in a custom app. The app structure, apps/intercompany, containing hooks.py, install.py, and the intercompany module with api.py, utils.py, doc types, and reports. Hooks.py shows standard Frappe registration. We hook into document events, sales invoice and purchase invoice validate events call our validation function. We have scheduler events for daily auto matching. The matching algorithm queries the standard GL entry table. Function find_intercompany_GL_entries, we get the internal customer for the counterparty company by querying the customer table with is_internal_customer equals 1 and represents _company equals the counterparty. Then we query GL entry with filters, company, party type customer, party equals that internal customer, account in receivable accounts, posting date between our date range. No custom tables. No modified core. We're reading standard ERPNext GL entry data using the built-in internal customer supplier mechanism. The matching uses a subset sum algorithm. Function match _intercompany transactions, we get company entries and counterparty entries. For each company entry, we calculate the target amount and find a subset of counterparty entries that sum to that target, plus or minus the tolerance. This is a classic computer science problem. Given a list of numbers, find a subset that sums to a target value. We handle one-to-one matches, one-to-many, and many-to-many. All endpoints are properly exposed with the frappe. Whitelist decorator. Function run_matching, we check permissions first, standard frappe pattern. If the user doesn't have permission to create IC match group, we throw an error. Critical for AI integration, no hard-coded values. Everything comes from intercompany settings. If tolerance is none, we get it from settings. If tolerance is 0, we throw an error telling the user to configure it. An AI agent can query the settings, understand the tolerance, call the API with proper parameters, get structured JSON responses. I ran a professional standards audit. The checklist, no hard-coded values, check. Real database data only, check. No fallback logic, check. Aligned with frappe patterns, check. No core modifications, check. Clean imports, check. Permission checks on all APIs, check. Standard error logging, check. Parameterized SQL queries, check. 100% compliant. This is production-ready code that follows every frappe and ERPNext best practice. Here's why this matters for AI and automation. This app is deliberately designed as an AI foundation. Let me explain the architecture. Layer 1, Data Layer. Standard ERPNext tables, GL entry, customer, supplier. No custom fields. Queryable via standard frappe ORM. Layer 2, Business Logic Layer. Matching algorithm in utils.py. Elimination entry creation in utils.py. Validation hooks in hooks.py. Layer 3, API layer. Frappe whitelist endpoints. JSON request response. Permission protected. Error handling. Layer 4, AI integration layer. This is the future. LangChain tools. Function calling. Autonomous agents. Natural language interface. An AI agent will be able to do this. Example 1, monthly reconciliation agent. Agent receives command, run intercompany reconciliation for October 2025. Step 1, agent calls get intercompany settings. Retrieves tolerance, elimination company, accounts. Step 2, agent calls get intercompany companies. Gets list of all companies with intercompany relationships. Step 3, for each company pair, agent calls run matching with company, counterparty, from date October 1st to date October 31st. System returns match groups created. Step 4, for each match group, agent calls create elimination with the match group name. Elimination journal entries created. Step 5, agent calls intercompany reconciliation report with the date range. Generates summary report. Step 6, agent composes email, October reconciliation complete. Intercompany app roadmap. Phase 1, complete, manual matching via UI. Automated matching algorithm. Elimination journal entry creation. Reconciliation reporting. Phase 2, LangChain integration. OpenAI function calling. Agent toolkit. Natural language queries. Phase 3, autonomous scheduling. Exception detection. Self-healing workflows. Multi-company orchestration. Phase 4, predictive matching. Anomaly detection. Consolidation forecasting. AI-powered audit trails. This is the future of ERP automation. Not replacing accountants, empowering them. The system handles the repetitive reconciliation work, the AI monitors for exceptions, and the humans focus on strategic decisions. From hours to seconds. From manual to autonomous. The code is production ready. The APIs are documented. And if you want to build AI agents on top of this, the framework is ready for you. This is just the beginning. Thank you for watching.